What is up, you guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a productive day in my life. I am starting this vlog off a little bit later in the day. I had a little bit of a slow morning. I just got up and got ready, did my hair, it's wrapped now, and I am dressed for the gym. But yes, so I am obviously heading to the gym today. I went to the gym for the first time in a while yesterday. And yes, I am slowly but surely getting my life back together, back on track. I feel like so all out of whack after going home for 2 weekends in a row, and then having it's a lot of things have been out of the ordinary recently. So yeah, I'm working on just getting everything back on track, back in order. So I'm going to the gym today. I definitely have to go grocery shopping. I haven't gone grocery shopping in like a month. So I'm pretty much out of everything except for food. I'm out of everything that I can easily grab. Like, I still have some snacks, like fruit and stuff. I'm completely out of it. Like fruit, salad, stuff like that, like fresh stuff, I am completely out of that. And yesterday, I didn't vlog it, but I went to Ulta, and so I can kind of give you guys an Ulta haul. I got some more wax strips because I definitely needed more of those. And I got the sticks to go with my waxing kit. And then this is completely different. I am getting into lip gloss now, or like lipsticks, lip color in general. So I got these 3 from Ulta, and I got the just regular stick, and this is the color that the stick is. And I got some actual lipsticks as well, and I love it. Like, look how pretty this color is. It's like a sunset color, and this color is like a little bit darker. I think it's so pretty, and I tried them on yesterday, and I just think they're so pretty. And so yeah, I think I'm getting into lip gloss and lipsticks now, so I'm gonna try these out. I definitely want to go back and pick out another color. I got this color, but I was really looking for something a teeny tiny bit more orange. So if I can find something like that, that would be amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna go back and see if I can find more colors. I really just want to get into lip gloss and lipsticks and just lip colors in general. So I do plan on taking you all along with me. And oh yeah, and I'm hanging out with some friends today, so you'll get to see me hang out with some friends. Maybe I might vlog a little bit of that, and then in the vlog, I'm not sure how today will work, but that's what today will consist of. So let's get productive. Okay, you guys, I'm leaving Ulta. I'll give you a haul of everything that I got when I get in the car. And I'm also leaving the gym, so it's been pretty productive so far today. Next, I'm going to Walmart. I definitely have a few things that I need to get from Walmart and from Aldi. I haven't done like a hair mask in forever, so I'm gonna do that. But I'll show you what I got when I get in the car. Okay, I'm in the car, and you gotta excuse the noise. It is so hot, so I have the air on. But these are the 3 colors I got. They're kind of similar, but also not. This one is a little darker. The 2 square ones were on sale, so I got these. This is the darkest color that I have. I think this will be pretty. And then this one's a little bit more brown than this one. You can definitely tell this is a little bit more brown than the other one. And yeah, so I like this one, and then this one is more like a sunset orangey color, like what I told you I was looking for this morning. So yeah, I got these 3 colors, and like I said, now I am heading to Walmart. I have to get some lemon for sure, avocado for a hair mask, and just a few other things. I have to get my fruit from Aldi, and then I'm kind of in the mood to go to Target, so we'll see what Target has.
We love you, Dior.
What is up, you guys? I just got home. I just lugged a ton of groceries up here. These groceries better last me a month. That was extremely heavy. But right now I'm going to give you all a grocery haul. So I went to Walmart and Aldi. You didn't really see me at Walmart, but you did see me in Aldi a little bit. And yeah, I'll just give you all a haul of everything that I got. So I guess I'll start with Walmart first since it's on top. I got more trail mix. I got some American cheese for lunch. I also got some biscuits, string cheese for snack, some lunch meat to go with the American cheese for lunch. I also got some yogurt for breakfast, and I got avocados for my hair mask. I actually went to Aldi and saw that the avocados were like 20 cents cheaper, so I'm kind of disappointed about that, but there's nothing I can do about it, you know. Sometimes I just have to go with what is presented to me. But I also got some lemon, and from Walmart I also got some oatmeal, just because I'm almost out of the value pack. I actually couldn't find the ones that I typically get from Walmart, but it's fine. I just got the brown maple sugar. And then I also got some Pop-Tarts because I haven't had Pop-Tarts in a hot minute. I also got some eggs from Walmart, and I got some lotion. I also got some Seagrams just in case, you know, I want to have a sappy night or whatever. Like I'm watching a sappy movie. That would be kind of fun to drink or whatever. And then I got some lashes. I don't know, I really want to get into putting on fake lashes, but I really want to try lash extensions, like the false lashes that are actually put in. I really want to try that, so maybe that'll be something I could try and then vlog for you all for the first time ever. I would get that, so we'll see. From Walmart, I also got these buttery crackers to go with my string cheese for a snack. I also got some bread. And I am all out of curly hair products, so I got curly hair products and some Noxzema or no eczema, however you say it. But yes, I got a bag full of that as well. And then from Aldi, I got some nectarines, some peaches, grapes. I don't really remember how much these were, but they were on sale, so I had to get some green grapes. Some baby carrots. I love my baby carrots and ranch. Oranges or mandarins. I meant to get salad from Walmart because it's such a better deal, but I forgot. So then when I went to Aldi, I just got the small thing of salad. And whenever I go to Walmart, I'll just get a bigger one. But sometimes I'm really in the mood for salad, so I wanted to just go ahead and grab a smaller one. I also got some apples, and I got mayonnaise to go in my hair mask. I also got some chips. And my most favorite purchase ever, I bought myself some flowers to finally put in this vase that's been sitting really empty over here. I really wanted yellow flowers, like I wanted yellow roses, but I don't know, like the accent in my apartment is like pink. Actually, it's more peach, so I should have gone with like peach, but yeah, so I just decided to go with these. They were like way too expensive, but yeah, I just, you know, I like buying myself flowers sometimes. So now I'm just going to do a time lapse, and you guys get to watch me put all this stuff up.
We love you, Dior.
Okay, everything is stacked up. My refrigerator is finally full again. Normally water goes back there, but I'm only one person. I couldn't get water too, so anyway, all of my cheese and meat and that stuff is down there. I tried to fit all of my fruit in here. It's kind of stuffed. I might like move it around a little bit, maybe put the apples or whatever down here. But then salad typically goes here with the carrots. I've had this forever. Like honestly, this should go in the trash. But yeah, my beverages, more beverages. These are literally the only 2 condiments I need ever in my life. So I have that right there. But yeah, this is full again too, with chips right there, Pop-Tarts, oatmeal. my trail mix and then other snacks back there. And then, yeah, that's what that looks like. Oh yeah, and I also almost forgot to show you my flowers. This is what the flowers look like. I'm trying to play around with it and like put it in a little bit nicer, but I don't really know. I feel like that's really cute the way it is. And I just leave my avocados and lemons right there. Yes, I know I need more paper towel to put right there, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Yeah. So now I really badly need to shower, and my friends are texting me right now as we speak, so I need to shower so that I can change and we can all go out and I can show you all that, or whatever we end up doing. Maybe staying in, watching a movie, maybe going out. There's a concert that happens every Friday right outside of my apartment, so maybe because I live downtown, so maybe we could go to a concert, or we could just go to the movies. The movies is right across from my apartment too. Like literally everything is across from my apartment, so that's nice. But whatever we end up doing, I will vlog it for you all. I will show you. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and shower and then pick out an outfit and change.
I wanna give you the title. Oh yeah.
So I got out of the shower. I just got out of the shower and I got ready a little bit. I really just put on this, oh my goodness, focus. I really just put on this sports bra top that you saw me purchase. Maybe you saw me purchase this. I don't really remember when I vlogged. But I also have these soft shorts that a company actually sent me for a TikTok. And yeah, I'm just wearing something super casual because we will be doing a movie night tonight. And I think it's going to be like ice cream, maybe some drinks. Not really sure, but definitely a movie night. So I wanted to dress a little bit more comfortable. And then, yeah, and I am bringing some snacks just because I have not eaten all day. All I have eaten today is a protein bar, and I had a protein shake after the gym. So I'm going to nibble on some trail mix before we like eat or whatever. I'm thinking we might get pizza or something. I'm not really sure. You guys will see whatever we end up getting, but I also have some gummy worms, but honestly I'm really not in the mood for gummy worms, so I'm gonna leave that here. And I'm just going to take my trail mix. And yes, I am packed and ready to go. But little side note, these are all of my glosses or my lip colors, and I am so excited to build my collection of lip colors. So you saw these this morning and this one this morning, and I got these today. And yes, I'm so excited to grow my lip colors and grow all of that. So yes, I'm very excited about that. But yeah, I'm gonna take some vitamins now and then we could be on our way.
Turn left.
All right, you guys, we are on our way. Hey. I'm trying not to get your number.
Oh, so you gonna stalk me down?
Yeah, exactly. Hello.
Hello.
Look at what the cat drug in. And by cat, I mean Salem.
Welcome to my humble abode.
I love it.
Nice. Just keep waiting.
I guess until Natalie looks up.
Anything for the vlog. Anything for the content.
Alright, I don't know where we're going. Andy,
Kroger.
where are we going?
Right
Kroger?
there. In Diddly Dee. There it is.
Right there.
The Holy Grail.
And what are we going here for?
Ice cream. Alcohol.
The goods.
The necessities.
I need food too, so.
Well, Kroger will have all the good snacks.
Maybe they'll have like a sub or something.
Kroger has the best sushi. Done. Oh yeah, and they have cheap sushi. Do you like sushi? She don't like sushi.
I've
Double
never been a
homicide.
sushi girl. Never been a sushi girl.
I love sushi. Yeah, me too. The right kind though. I don't like the one with the big hunk of raw fish on top.
I tried California
raw fish.
rolls.
I love California.
And they were disgusting.
They're basic but good.
Yeah.
But you don't like avocado.
Somebody told
you don't
me-
like avocado, so why are
Yeah.
you gonna like a California roll?
Somebody told me, they're like, you tried the wrong one. That's why you don't like it.
Yeah, that's true. You have to go to a sushi buffet. I've had ones that I just hated, and then other ones I'm like, oh, the beautiful great.
So I'll update you whenever we
Oh, man,
get
how
there.
are
And
we
I'm
gonna
getting
get
a
there?
call.
They have
Chocolate cheesecake? Okay, that sounds good as fuck.
It's also like Skinny Queen ice cream, so.
That does not sound good.
What doesn't sound
Skinny Queen ice cream? What makes it Skinny Queen?
I don't know. The pint will just be like, oh my god, 300 calories.
Oh.
So therefore Skinny Queen.
We got the drinks. Natalie, what is this?
It's jammy red brew.
Yeah, that. The Seagrams. Wait, what's the percentage on this? That's always so intriguing to me.
I don't know, but this
If anyone's
gets me
feeling,
It
turned.
hits.
It's 12%.
12%. This is 3%.
if anyone's feeling really crazy, I have all of the delectable needs. I think we'll get there.
And then they have popcorn. I'm not really a fan of popcorn, but
Slander.
chips. And then the pizza. Where's the pizza? Yum.
I like the holiday armadillo.
The pizza is burnt. Andy?
Miss Girl, that is not burnt.
Pizza is ready.
The crust is burnt a little.
We already got the drinks out and popping.
Let this
You want to
spin.
show your ice cream?
Sure.
I might include this in the another vlog. It's Halo Top. We've never
Look
had
at
this
it,
before.
a cute little thing on the top.
So cute.
Because apparently you can eat. Oh.
Okay, Andy, pop off, queen.
Andy wanted to contribute her opinion on Halo Top.
Yeah.
Ooh, look how
Ooh.
smooth it is.
Wait, what flavor is that?
This is a chocolate cheesecake.
And we're about to watch a movie now. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up.
And a like and subscribe.
And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
Below.
And I'll see you all right back here next time with
And
another
comment
video.
your favorite pizza in the comments and your favorite color and your best friend. And then we'll get back to you. XOXO.